What is up, guys? Handyman Sam here, and today we're going to be replacing a taillight on a 2013 Nissan Frontier SV. Okay, so this video is going to be a little bit different than my usual videos. This is actually going to be a real-time video to show how quick you can do this job. So basically we'll just start with these 10mm nuts up here, the socket and ratchet. And down here, got one. And you really don't have to move this tailgate thing out of the way. I just moved it so it would be a little easier. Okay, so now we're going to take this entire assembly and pull back this way toward the back of the truck. Just like so. And you have these electrical connections here. You're going to just press down like this and turn. Same with this one, press down and turn. That's your turn signal. And then you're going to just press down and turn like this. You're going to pull this wiring harness back like that. Set this one aside. And you have this new one here. And this one already comes with brand new bulbs. So we're just going to leave those in and press down on these connections, pull the bulb out like this, set down, put the new connections in. I'm going to do the same with this one. Press down, wiggle, takes a try or two. There we go. Just going to plug that back in there, like so. And the last one, just press down here. Pull it out, push back in, then it's going to install just like before. And you see this little pin here, that's going to go into this little hole here. So we're going to make sure it lines up, press in until you hear that snap. Good. Now we'll take our bolts from up here down here. Tighten up. And that's all there is to it. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. On a side note, this did come with new hardware and I didn't even realize it, but the old hardware worked just as fine, so